Hello everyone, welcome to GeoSmart. This is Vikas Patil. In this video, we are going to explore the heat zones of Earth. As we all know, that the sun rays travel straight from the sun towards the Earth. Now because of the spherical shape of the Earth, these sun rays strike the Earth's surface at different angle at different places. To understand this, let's take an example. This is a torch. The torch light, if falling on a surface which is perpendicular to its direction, you can see there is certain amount of area that is covered by the light. If the same torch light is falling on a surface which is little inclined, you can see this the area covered by that light would be much larger. Remember, the amount of light remains the same, only the area that the light covers increases. So of course the intensity of the light would decrease. Simple. Now let's apply the same principle on the sunlight that falls on the Earth. Since Earth is spherical, sunlight falls at different angles. So at places near the equator, the sunlight falls at 90 degree, and that's where it covers smaller area, and thus the intensity is high. As we go away from the equator, the angle formed by the sun rays start decreasing. So as the angle decreases, the area covered increases, and that's where the intensity of the sun rays decrease. So same amount of sunlight will give less heat in places away from the equator, and more heat at places near the equator. So if you look at the annual temperatures map, you can easily make out that the places near the equator, they are the hottest as they receive the maximum heat, and places near the poles are the coldest as they receive minimum heat. And this is because of the angle of sun rays that fall here. And the middle zone is the moderate zone, right? Now as we know that there are important lines of latitude due to the angle of inclination of Earth. These help us mark the boundary between the different heat zones of Earth. So torrid zone is basically the zone that is in and around the equator. So it's between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This is also known as tropical zone. This zone generally has high temperatures throughout the year and receive direct sunlight. Then beyond this tropical zone, we have the moderate zone, that is the temperate zone. Now this temperate zone receives moderate amount of sunlight, neither too high nor too low. So it's the temperate zone. It's between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in northern hemisphere, and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in southern hemisphere. So this zone is known for pleasant climate throughout the year. And beyond the Arctic and Antarctic Circle, we have the coldest zone of the Earth. It is very easy to make out because this zone receives the least amount of sunlight. It remains frozen. Most of it remains frozen throughout the year, and those which do not remain frozen, they are actually very cold throughout the year. I hope the different heat zones of the Earth are clear and you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.